little bit of argy-bargy as he goes through there.
Restart again.
So all the racers coming to a halt. Not the start Markland was looking for.
Wow.
I definitely want to take a look at that again. I was focused on Lasset. He got a jump there, and then Markland, boom.
Yeah.
Took a hard turn left.
Okay, Reese Millen kind of bogged down on the start, and Markland had to take evasive action going around the left side of him, and that got him into the wall. So let's watch this again. Watch on the right side of your screen. There goes Markland. Boom. He gets into Sterix. Sterix turns him into the wall. Not Sterix's fault. He doesn't know.
Yeah.
And just Markland trying to avoid the car in front. And that's kind of the carnage. This is going to be a great view of this. Look at that right there.
Oh.
And that turns him right in.
Too soon.
And a pretty solid hit on the wall there.
Yeah, that absolutely moved the finish start line scaffolding. As you saw, Millen got going over once again. Millen failed to slow start Markland around and ministers, and then just Markland
That's a nice
took the walls of the